So I am back with a video this time. This time it's related to face recognition. So here's how this works. I've created a very basic web application which will allow you to maybe recognize faces. Right now it has my face and my wife's face registered, but you can register your face as well by going to this link, which is home. So when you go to this link, you can capture 5 images, and then you can, after capturing those 5 images, let's say I capture one, and I capture another one, another one, and another one, another one. So I have captured 5 images. I provide a name for the subject, and if there is a subject already in the database, it's not a database basically; it's just a static file. If there is a name already in the static file, that name, this data would be appended along with the data that is already present. So that would make the recognition all the more strong. And if there isn't any data for that particular name, then it's gonna store that data and train itself again. So it's like a, a, what do you call it? A recognition system which needs to be trained for the faces that needs to be recognized. So I'll not go into the training part because that's pretty straightforward. I'll just demonstrate the recognition part, and here is how we are going to recognize. So once I see this screen, I'll click on this capture button, which will capture the picture, and then I'll send it for recognition. And till the time it recognizes itself the data, I'm gonna wait for it to give me the response back, and here it comes. So here are the results. It can recognize my name, and it can show my face and recognize where I am, who's this guy in the picture. There are a lot of use cases for this kind of functionality, although this is not something which is out of the box, but I just I was just experimenting with computer vision, and I'm really happy that this thing works. Alright, thank you so much.